How to add cells together in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so guys, I'm going to show you the two different methods, or do two different ways that you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Sheet, and you can see we have two example. We have two different values in two different cells. So I'll show you how you can make together or merge this cell. Okay, first, if you want to make plus or sum of this cell, two different cell, then you can simply select that cell where uh, you want to apply, where you want to result. So just start with the equal sign, then select that first cell, then click plus on your clipboard, then select the another cell, or you can select any other cell if you want. I just select the next one. Now hit the enter. Now it's the sum formula, or that uh, you know is count, total count is something 22. So it is they are like they are add together the two different cell. Okay, but if you want to add together two cell differently, like you only add that content or text or value side by side in one cell, then you can use another formula. Just type with the equal sign, start with the equal sign. You can use that formula, concatenate. Okay, okay, then open the bracket. Now select the first value or cell, hit the comma. If you want space between, then use this option, this symbol, which is double equation marks, then hit the comma, then select the another cell, and now you can close the bracket. Okay, so now you can see, okay, we need one space between that quotation mark. Okay, now you can see the two cell has been merged side by side, and in first method we have add two cell as a value in one cell, and in the another method we have put two cell value side by side in one cell. Okay, so that is two different way you can use as per your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.